Day 24 of 30. We are deep in Block 5, Insulin and Blood Sugar. We've learned what insulin does and what insulin resistance is. Today we connect the dots. Blood sugar spikes don't just affect insulin. They affect every hormone in your body. Cortisol, testosterone, estrogen, thyroid, growth hormone. All of them get messed up when your blood sugar is unstable. Let me ask you something. Have you ever eaten something sugary and then felt amazing for 20 minutes, followed by a crash where you felt tired, irritable, and hungry again? That's not just sugar leaving your system. That's your hormones going on a roller coaster. Every time your blood sugar spikes and crashes, your body releases stress hormones. It's like a mini panic attack your body goes through every few hours. And if you eat sugar multiple times a day, your hormones are on this roller coaster all day long. Here's how it works. You eat a cookie or drink a soda. Your blood sugar shoots up. Your pancreas releases a lot of insulin to bring it down. But it brings it down too much, now your blood sugar is too low. Your body panics. It releases cortisol and adrenaline, stress hormones, to bring your blood sugar back up. Now your cortisol is high. High cortisol tells your body to store belly fat. It also lowers testosterone and thyroid function. One cookie sets off a chain reaction that affects every single hormone. Here's the science. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that a single high-sugar meal increases cortisol by 20% within 2 hours. That same cortisol spike blocks T4 to T3 conversion by up to 30%. It also reduces testosterone production in men and disrupts ovulation in women. So one high-sugar meal, can make your thyroid slower, your testosterone lower, and your stress higher. All from one cookie. Your body is a row of dominoes. Blood sugar is the first domino. When you eat sugar, the first domino falls, insulin spikes. That knocks down the next domino, fat storage. That knocks down the next, cortisol release. Then testosterone falls. Then thyroid falls. By the time all the dominoes have fallen, you have higher stress, lower energy, more belly fat, and you want another cookie. The domino effect is real. Here are 5 ways to stabilize your blood sugar and protect your hormones. Number 1, eat protein with every meal. Protein slows down how fast sugar enters your blood. Number 2, don't drink your carbs. Soda, juice, and sweet coffee drinks spike sugar faster than solid food. Number 3, add vinegar. A tablespoon of vinegar before a meal can lower the blood sugar spike by 20%. Number 4, move after eating. A short walk helps your muscles use the sugar without needing extra insulin. Number 5, eat vegetables first, then protein, then carbs last. This order reduces the blood sugar spike by up to 50%. Today you learned that blood sugar spikes affect every hormone in your body. One sugary meal increases cortisol, lowers testosterone, and slows down your thyroid. The key is to keep your blood sugar stable. Eat protein, avoid liquid sugar, add vinegar, move after meals, and eat veggies first. Tomorrow we talk about how to reverse insulin resistance, the practical action plan. This has been InfoVital. If you've ever felt the sugar crash and wondered why your body reacts so badly, now you know the full picture. Hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to understand the domino effect. See you tomorrow on day 25.